In this tutorial, let's see what are all the initial implementation to be done for face attendance in HR Blue Sky. For that, navigate to the user icon, click on Company Setup. Further, click on Attendance Setup. Under Attendance Setting, enable the option. Now choose the option Face Attendance. The next step is to add the location details. For that, click on Add Location. Choose the location name. For every location, you will have 3 attendance modes: GPS, Wi-Fi and fixed device. GPS can be given to a roaming employee, so the employee can register attendance within the office as well as outside the office. So enter the latitude and longitude of the location. Geofence radius should be given in terms of meters, so this meter should be given based on your office location. For Wi-Fi, you should enter your ISB's public static IP address. So only when the user is mapped to the office Wi-Fi, the user can register the attendance. Enable the fixed device option and enter the username. The user can log into the fixed device only with this username and password. The password entered cannot be viewed later. The device ID will be mapped automatically when logged in. Click on Save. So here you can view all the location details. To make changes, click on Edit. After changing, click on Save. The last step is to assign the attendance mode to different users. To assign, click on Allocate. Choose a desired attendance mode. You have fixed, IP-based, GPS, fixed plus IP, fixed plus GPS. So let me choose IP-based attendance. If you want to restrict the user from registering the attendance in a desired location, you can enable this and choose a location. Or else you can disable this option. Now select the employee for whom you want to assign this attendance mode. You can also go with this option, or you can select individually. Click on Confirm. So this particular employees will be mapped to IP based. Now click on Save. So here you can view the attendance mode, and since it is location disabled, it is listed as disabled here. In case if you want to change the attendance mode, you can select the user. Further, click on Move to and change the attendance mode. So let me change to IP based. Here you can view the attendance mode is changed from GPS to IP based. In case if you want to change the attendance mode of all users, you can go with the Select All option, enable Move to and choose the attendance mode.